back over and stay, you're looking to trade to the downside, and that could be a pattern reversal as the bull run in the US dollar may be coming to an end, but that has still not been proven to be the case. Right now, this is just a bullish consolidation until we get more price action as the days wear on and the future becomes now, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, bell notification, comment down below to help push us through the crypto sphere and YouTube algorithm to sidestep and audible the charlatans, the snake oil salesmen, the heisters, fleecers, and shysters, so we can walk away with all the fucking money based on our information, knowledge, and game plan. Peace and love. Our road to 10,000 subscribers starts with, yep, that's right, you right now. It starts with you and one subscription. Road to 10K. Peace and love to my beautiful trading audience. Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing. You can see the coins have been up, they've been down, but they've been trending up the last few days as the US dollar has been coming to the downside, and we're going to erase that off as it's just sort of been trading sideways out of there. And you can see we're still sitting just above with our industry exclusive perching tool, sitting just above right there, the 37 cents, and we do know that's your major trading area right there. So what I'm going to watch for, and I would watch for if I were you this weekend in the XRP, is do you continue to hold up above this 37 cents, continue to make a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, support on a major support level? Do you continue to make a higher low, maybe get a volume spike in on a thinly traded weekend and try to pump the price up to near this 50-cent level up here, right, as you continue to stay down here? Or as I spin around here, hello, look at me. Do you come back down to the 37 cents and start to trade back down towards the top part of this red trading zone, the volume indicator zone? Right now, the coins have been trending to go to the upside as the US dollar has been trending down. Gold has been trending up. Silver has been trending up. The stock market's been running sideways to neutral, and crypto is trying to form a local bottom after the last major flush. You can see this beautiful double bottom here, and usually that indicates a turnaround. And what you could say here is this humongous traffic jam that I'm about to sit in. I have plenty of time to discuss this in depth with you, as this was obviously not the right way to go to my father's house. Should have took a different way because this way sucks ass. But you could say you got one bottom, two bottoms, double bottom, and then another higher low. You could say this is your major support level and a neckline, and you could come from the bottom to the neckline to the point of a breakout, and that gets you up to about right there, right back to this old upper resistance on your way up. This is going to act as your, if you break up past here, that's what I'm trying to say, this is going to be your next major upper resistance that starts right about the 39 cents, right on your way up to that 50 cents. 39 cents is going to play as upper resistance right about, or 44 cents, not 39, 44 cents, 39's current price. Right in here would be major resistance, because you can see back here, you get a lot of support, resistance back there, and then resistance obviously at the 50 cents. So that's what I'm watching out for in the XRP price this weekend. Can you stay above this critical support level and then try to pump to the upside? And that's what I'd be watching out for if I were you and I was in and trying to figure out what was going on this weekend. You can see the Dogecoin's the same thing. Look at the Dogecoin's even better. We've had a lot of volatility lately in the Doge. Remember after this huge pump back here, and we got rejected by about the 14.5 cents where we had our resistance line, because you blew through this resistance line. And then when we got rejected up here on the swing down and the double top, we told you how this pattern, how it looked, often is a reversal pattern, right? Big pump right before the reversal, and we said this 0.09 cents would be major support, and if that broke, you'd come down to the top part of the orange trading zone, aka last line of defense, to the shit house, right? And you can see it came down, hit it, traded sideways along a descending moving averages, came back down again, hit another support level down here, and then bounced. And now you're sitting on top of the 0.098 cent level, and that is like the 37 cents in XRP, and this is like the 50 cents in XRP. And what you want to look for in the Dogecoin this weekend is, can you stay above that critical red line, critical support resistance line at just below the 10 cent level and just above the 9.5 cent at the 9.6 cent level. You need to hold that and bounce, and then you can try to make a run up here towards that 14.5 to 15 cent major upper resistance where you ran up into last time right here. But if you do get a bounce right in this area at about 11.5 to 12 cents, right about here would be initial resistance right here, because you have all this consolidation that took place back here. It would have some resistance going on right there. So that's what I'd be looking at in the Dogecoin this weekend. Can you stay above this critical 9.5 cent, the support level here, or you're going to fall back down to the 7.8, the top part of that orange trading zone, and any kind of pump up right up in here would be where I'd be looking for major resistance within this cluster, somewhere between the bottom here at 11.5 and the top there at just below 15 cents, right? So that's what I'd be looking for there. If we look at the DGB, people used to like this coin. I don't want to call it a pile of shit because I don't really know a whole lot about it. I just knew. See that big arrow down? Remember when I used to use the big arrows, right? There's your big arrow pointing at where you were going, and you came right down to there. But you can see where you were in the hype train and where you are in the crypto winter. And people could say you're in something like this and you're about to have a big reversal. You're either going to liquidate down to 3.0034 cents in the next few months, or you're going to start to stagnate out sideways and maybe make a run back up into here where we have this upper resistance at 0.01 instead of 0.00. You come up to the 0.01 level, and this would be a major upper resistance going from back early on in the coin's history, back in 19. You can see we came out, we dumped on this chart, came up, and then hit this upper resistance, which is now the top part of the orange trading zone, or the last line of defense to the shithouse. So that's what I'll be watching out for in the DGB. Your lower support's down here at the bottom part. Your upper resistance is up here at this horizontal blue line, chilling there, running from left to right across your screen right there, right? And then if we look at the US dollar, you can see it continues to come down, and it's threatening to come down to a major support level down here at about the 101.103 is a major support level. And if you broke that, you could have a major move to the downside, and we highlighted that in red, how that would look if you did do that there in the monthly time frame. And if we pulled back into the daily time frame, you can see a little bit better, clearer picture of what we're talking about. See that we got that chopping action, the up and down, and this could still be a bullish consolidation as long as you come to the 101 area, the horizontal blue line, and then hold it and get some buyers and start to trade back up. But if you slip it and then you have to come back and trade up into it and you get rejected and can't get back over it and stay, you're looking to trade to the downside, and that could be a pattern reversal as the bull run in the US dollar may be coming to an end, but that has still not been proven to be the case. Right now, this is just a bullish consolidation until we get more price action as the days wear on and the future becomes now, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, bell notification, comment down below to help push us through the crypto sphere and YouTube algorithm to sidestep and audible the charlatans, the snake oil salesmen, the heisters, fleecers, and shysters, so we can walk away with all the fucking money based on our information, knowledge, and game plan. Peace and love. Our road to 10,000 subscribers starts with, yep, that's right, you right now. It starts with you and one subscription. Road to 10K. Peace and love to my beautiful trading audience.